Hi folks, this is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We have here a Jazzy 600 ES power chair. So if you're getting a Jazzy 600 ES power chair, when it's delivered to your driveway, this is what it's going to look like. The seat will be in this box. The chair will be in the bottom box. The only thing you need is a box cutter, if you have one, which would be the easiest way to go, and a set of Allen wrenches to just tighten up the arms on the power chair. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the seat off the top. I'm going to put the seat over here. And we're going to cut. Don't cut your fingers with this, okay? These box cutters are pretty sharp, so make sure you go away from your hands. All right, so now we've got the straps cut. The next thing you'll do, you'll just grab the box like this, shimmy it up, and then you can get rid of it. Next thing you'll do, you'll take the four-corner brace out. Next, you'll take the covered plastic off. The next thing you'll do, you'll see the charger back here. You'll take the charger out, and you want to keep these parts together. So you make sure you have all the parts. On the front, you will have your joystick that goes on the arm of your seat. Inside under the chair, you'll have your owner's manual and you'll have your bar for your joystick, okay? So you will take the cover off the bar. So your joystick will mount on here with 4 screws. The next thing you'll do, you'll probably need 2 people for this, okay? You'll have to lift the chair out of the box. You will need 2 people to get this off the box. If not, it's gonna be a little bit harder. But with 2 people, it's real easy. Now this is about 200 pounds, so you have to have 2 strong people to do it. Then you would take your little wheel protectors, fender protectors out. And now you can get rid of this box. You can get rid of this. We can get rid of this. Now we're going to go to the seat. So we're back to the seat again. Use your cutter, cut away from you. Never towards you. Cut the plastic here so the top opens up. I'm going to put my knife down. Gonna open this up. Open this up. Now you've got your seat in here and you have your headrest. Take your headrest out. On your headrest, you will have a little clip right here. You need to have that clip. Don't lose that clip right here. It's tied on the headrest. It's your little clip to take so the headrest doesn't wobble. Now the seat. You're going to take the seat out. The seat weighs about 35 pounds, so it's not hard to put together. You just have to have a little bit of strength. So if you don't think you can lift these pieces, don't try. Get someone to help you. It's not hard, especially with this video. All right, so I'm going to put the seat on the chair. You can see the back end. All right, the back end has to go in first. So if you watch, let me take this plastic off real quick here so we don't confuse anybody. All right. So this back end has to slide in here first. So you can see the groove in here. It goes in and then it locks on here. So if I put it this way, All right? It's already locked in. The next thing you'll do is you'll pull your seat up because it's a adjustable back. You have 2 elbows, one on each side. One came out a second ago. You can take the plastic off of this. Okay? In your box, where your seat was at, there was the arms. So you'll open the box. Again, be careful. So you have 2 arms. You'll take the plastic off. It doesn't matter what side they go on. You can put one here. You can take the other arm out. Put the other one over here. Now, 2 things. When you have the arms on, if you tighten up this bolt, this is your safety belt over here. We're going to get it out of the way here for a minute. Tighten up this little knob right here. Tighten it up. It takes away all that play. Do both sides. The next thing you'll do, you'll take your Allen wrench and you'll adjust the height of the arm. You still got a little bit of play here. On each side, right here and right here, you can put your Allen wrench in here and tighten up these screws, and you can adjust the height. Let me go back a little bit. You can adjust the height as high as here, which will be way too high. I'm just going to put it down to all the way down. Turn the screw, the Allen screw with your Allen wrench. You have one on both sides, okay? You see how the arm is solid now. All right, so I'm going to pull the seat back a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do, we're going to drop the headrest in. We're going to take this little screw that you did not lose. We'll put it right here, and we're going to keep turning. And then we're going to tighten it. Okay, that's your headrest. Put the foot plate down. There's a little bit of cardboard still. Get rid of that. Now, you're going to take your arm. Now, I don't know what side you're going to be driving, okay? Most people are right-handed, but it doesn't matter if you put this on the left side or the right side. So you're going to put it in here. You're going to take your Allen wrench again. You're going to put it about the knob of the pipe, about level with the end of the arm, and you're going to tighten it up like this. Okay? Then you're going to take your joystick out of here. You're going to take your joystick out of there. You're going to go back to your manual. In your owner's manual, there's 4 screws in the bottom right here. You're going to take those 4 screws out and 2 little tabs. So here's the bag with the 4 screws and the 2 tabs. So what you're going to do, you're going to get rid of this box. You're going to open this bag, put your screws on the seat. You'll have 4 screws and 2 plastic tabs, if you can see that from over there. Okay? You're going to put your tabs inside of here, like this. Okay? Just like that. So you want the holes and the joystick to match. You can do one at a time. You can put your screw through here, through your tab. You can run your other tab from the back in here. Put your other screw in here. Use your Phillips screwdriver. Tighten them up. You don't tighten them up all the way until you have all 4 of them in there. When you have all 4 of them in there, Then you can tighten them up, but don't tighten them up too tight, just a little bit. So when you get to the bottom, right there, not too tight, just snug. I know some of you like everything really tight, but just snug. Now, the joystick is on your chair. You're gonna take your cable, you're gonna run it to the back, right here. Right here's your plug. You're gonna unplug it. You're gonna there's only one way it can go. If it doesn't go in, don't do it. Then you'll tie your cable. You'll tie your cable. Let me get rid of this. Let's put the belt. The belt is in our way here. All right, so the safety belt is here. I'm gonna put the safety belt in the back seat for now so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. You're gonna take this cable and you're gonna tie it on this seat right here, by here, with the tie downs that are included in your bag, okay? You're also gonna tie it down. So you don't wanna tie it down too tight. You wanna leave some, you wanna tie it down here first. So what you would do this one first. So you want to do this one first. Just tie it under the arm, make sure you have enough of it, and then tie it towards the back. And that's it, folks. So here, you also have in your bag some reflectors. These reflectors, they go on the side of your wheels right here. Right here on both sides, you should have 8 reflectors to put on your wheels if you want to put them on. All right, so we have the joystick on and we have no power. So you have to connect the batteries. When they ship these chairs, they disconnect the battery. So now the last thing you will do, you will take the front cover off. There's 2 levers up front. You squeeze them together and then you can raise the whole thing out of the way. There's 2 cables here. You have to take the top cables and bring them out. There's one here. They're kind of pushed in there. And here's the other one. 2 cables, so you plug one cable to one battery, and you plug the other cable to the other battery, because there's 2 batteries. It takes 2 batteries to run these chairs. And you can leave the cables just like that. And then you put your cover back on. And then you snap your things again. And that might be the hardest part, taking the front and connecting them back. It's not hard, but I always have a hard time. So now we have power, and we can go forward and reverse. Remember, your neutral levers are right here. So if these are down, like that, you can roll the chair around, but it will not drive. So you have to turn the power off, put your levers back up, then turn the power on. It resets the whole computer, and now you're ready to go. So this is from A to Z, how to take your Jazzy 600 ES out of a box, put it all together, connect the batteries, put the seat, put the joystick, the headrest. This is how it goes. So hopefully this will give you a good information to use when you get your chair. Thank you. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.